Okay, so we received this laptop from the customer, which is a MacBook, and the model number is A2337 Apple MacBook, and the screen has a problem, which has a line across. So we have to change the screen for this one, for which I have a screen, a brand new screen available, which we're gonna replace it, and that's it. So let's start the work. Let's just check our LCD screen. We are not removing any stick or anything, but I can see right there that the line is going on, so it means that the computer is coming back on. So now it's working perfect. So our computer is fully functional now. The screen is working perfect. The new screen is installed, and we are now free to put the back on it. So that's how you can install LCD screen on the MacBooks. If you're not a professional or technician, I don't recommend you to do that kind of work, because it's not easy work. If you touch any part of the motherboard with a screwdriver, or drop any screw on the motherboard, it can make a short. So you have to be a professional guy to do that. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching.